On 30th of November, Hyderabad witnessed something truly inspiring. At the fourth edition of Bushido Shotokan National Karate Open Championship 2025 held at Katidan Sports Complex. Before I get into what happened at the day, I want to talk about someone whose contribution towards sports and athlete well-being have made a real impact. Dr. Mir Jawad Zar Khan, who is a senior orthopedic surgeon and the chairman of Germantown Hospital. He has 26 years of experience in treating sports injuries. He has successfully treated thousands of sports persons, be it from Hyderabad, India, or even international athletes. He carries advanced orthopedic experience from Germany and has consistently supported the sports community by conducting sports injury awareness programs and by putting up fitness camps in leading sports institutes, which has helped thousands of athletes return to their peak physical performance. Recently, he was invited at the championship as a respected guest to acknowledge his contribution of years towards the well-being and to the fitness of the athletes and for promoting sports in the city. And what he witnessed there was nothing less than extraordinary. The discipline, focus, strength, and dedication shown by every young participant performing those techniques and stunts left a lasting impression. Today's youth needs to engage in sports like karate because karate as a sport challenges and pushes an individual to step into the best version of themselves. It teaches self control, confidence, respect, and the ability to stand tall and firm in life's toughest moments. But it also reflects how deeply he believes in nurturing the youth so as to turn them into the strongest, wisest versions of themselves and more empowered. 2 days may have passed since the event, but the impacts that these young athletes created and the inspiration that they offered will stay with us for much longer. This is your sign to encourage the young people around you to engage in sports like karate because this sport, what it then teaches you, the discipline, the confidence, the self respect, will last with them for much longer.